love the Dean experience. You can't understand what difference a contractor can make until you've had a lot of people in your house and then bring Dean in. Because as soon as Dean came in, he identified all the issues that Diane and I had identified as key critical issues. He knew that we wanted to go with Granite, and he knew that we wanted to keep things in place. He didn't try to talk us out of our decisions. He knew that we'd spent a lot of time thinking about our decisions. The first part of the Dean experience for us is listening, conversing, and connecting. He really understood our problems, and he had a variety of solutions. As we began to kind of talk it through, we said, you know, the countertops are really only half of the challenge, Dean. And we know it says Granite Guy in your name, but we also have this, you know, we want to change our cabinets up. Our cabinet doors aren't working, they're falling apart, and we need backsplash, we need new tile. And Dean said, well, I got a guy for this, and I got a guy for that, and I got a guy for your other thing too. And the other part of the Dean experience is that he knows guys, and he's vetted all of the subs that he works with. And just to have really a surface that when you cleaned it up, it really sparkled. We love that. And so for me, the best part of the Dean experience was in Dean and his people. You had people you could talk to, and you knew they were listening to you. And you knew they were going to be responsive to you, and they weren't going to push a solution on you that you didn't want. They were going to try and accommodate the changes that you wanted to bring in the budget that you had, and in the end leave you feeling like, wow, we are so glad that we went through this process, because look at what we have now.